Good morning, class. How are you? This week we are learning about spring and spring gardening. So we are outside and Miss Shree is going to do a little planting with you guys. We have some of you all's favorite vegetables that we normally have for lunch. What are these? Carrots, okay. And what color are these? Orange, all right. Well, we have our carrots. We have our soil down here. We have our shovel to dig with, and we have our water. Now, if you all would look at these seeds, they are very tiny. So we're going to put the package down. We're going to take about 3 seeds, put them in a little trench. 3 more seeds, plant them in a little trench. 3 more. And we got 2 left. Put them there. We are going to cover the seeds really good. Cover them on both sides. All right, we got them covered good. Now, what else do we need to give them? We need to give them some water. Let's give them a little water. Help them grow really good. And now we just have a waiting period from 3 to 4 weeks before they actually sprout. And carrots, you guys, are good for our eyes. They give us vitamin A. They also have potassium, which is good for our heart. It's good for our muscles and our bones. Thank you guys so much for watching me today. See you later. Bye-bye.